operations on the binary numbers, specifically adding, subtracting, and multiplying. Before we begin, let's think about our addition tables. We're going to think of them in base 2 because, of course, binary means base 2. Okay, first of all, in base 2, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 0 plus 0 is 0. Those are the typical ones. So these are the different ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 would be 1, 1. So this would be in base 2. So you've got to think about when we subtract, if we did 10 minus 1, we would get 1. 1 minus 0 would be 0. And then there's barring. We'll look at that in a minute. Okay, so first of all, let's look at an example of adding 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1. All this in base 2. Okay, remember, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So we will put the 0 down and we will carry 1. Now we have 1 plus 0, which is 1, plus 1, which is 1, 0. So we'll put the 0 and we'll carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So we've added and we've gotten another binary number. Because we've got to remember 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, so we've got to put the 0 and carry. Let's do another one like that. 1, 1, 0, 0, plus 1, 0, 1. Okay, this one's actually a little easier, I think. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1, that's 1, 0, so I've got to put the 0 and carry 1. 1 and 1 is 1, 0. Okay. Let's do one that's going to end up with a little bit more carrying. 1, 1, 1, 1, plus 1, 0, 1. Okay. First of all, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, so I'm going to put a 0. Carry 1. Okay, now the carried 1 plus 1, that's 1, 0, plus 0, so it's still 1, 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, plus another 1 is 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1. So I'll put the 1 and carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1. Okay, let me give one for you to try, and then you can pause and try it on your own. 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1, and carry 1. Now I have 3 1s. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, plus another 1 is 1, 1. So put that 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So I'll put the 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Okay, so when we subtract, we're going to do the same kind of thing. 1, 1, 0, 1 minus, let's put 1, 0, 0, 1. Start with an easy one first. Okay, when I subtract, 1 minus 1 is just 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And then 1 minus 1 is nothing, but since that's in the front, I won't have to write that one. So as long as there's no borrowing, as in that first example, we're pretty well off. Let's try one that's going to have a little borrowing in it. But 1, 0, 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 0. Okay, we're well off at the beginning. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. But here we have 0 minus 1, which we cannot do. So we got to come over here and we got to borrow. We'll borrow off of this